So now we're back once more, and in this video we're going to do a little validations. We're going to fix a couple stuff, and that's going to be it. So it's going to be really simple, and it's going to be really short. Right, so if we go up down here, and if we actually try not to enter anything down here, we will just leave this empty. And if we click, you can see that down here we've got our own search messages down over here, but we got actually a couple of errors down here, and we don't want this to happen. So all what we're gonna do, if the user did not enter anything in the input, we're gonna go ahead and avoid dealing with these mistakes, and we're gonna fix this by going to our own index page. So we're gonna say location index.php. Alright, so if we save all of this, let's go back down here and let's try to leave this and just press enter once more. You can see that we actually got the index.php all over again. Let's try it once more. You can see that it's refreshing and it's going back to index.php. Another thing that I want to fix, if we actually go down here and if we try to go directly to our search page, so let's see what we got, search.php. You can see that we actually got to the page, and we don't need this to happen. We just need it when he goes ahead and enters something down here and he clicks on enter. Okay, he can't do this. All right, we don't want the user to do this. So all what we're gonna do, we're gonna go down here, we're gonna set an else block for this for this if block down over here. So if you click on this, if you are on Visual Studio Code, you can see that the if block ends right here, and we're gonna go else, and we want also to go to the header.index.php. Right, so he can't go to this unless he presses enter, so you can actually search for something. All right, so if we save all of this, go up over here and click on enter, you can see that we're getting back to index.php. So let's try it one more time. Search.php. If we click, you can see that we're going back all over again to index.php. And these are the things that I wanted to cover in this video. It's a little short, as I said, but also it will remove a lot of broken code and stuff like that. So that's it for this video, and see you on the next one.